Hello everyone, welcome in St. Joseph English Medium School, and here you are going to learn chapter number 8 division, unit number 8.3 division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Let's go for the exercise, find the quotient and remainder. So first one, 98 divided by 2. So here you have to check out in two stable 98 is divisible or not. Okay. So first, because divisor is smaller than dividend, so you have to go for the single number only. 2 is smaller than the 9, so we have to go for the single digit. So read two stable and check out in two stable 9 will come or not. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So 2 fours are 8. 8 is smaller than 9 and nearest to the 9. So 2 fours are 8, and you have to do minus 9 minus 8, how much? 1. Now next step, take 8 down. Okay. Alright. Now this is, it will become 18. 1 and 8, 18. So you have to check out in two stable 18 will come. Yes. 2 nines are 18. And what you have to do? Minus 18 minus 18, 0. This is quotient and this is remainder. Next one, 86 divided by 5. So in 5 table 86 will come or not, just check out. So first go for the 8, 5 in 5 table 8 will come. Read with me, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 2s are 10 is bigger than 8, so we have to go for the 5 ones are 5. Alright, so minus 8 minus 5 how much? 6, 7, 8, 3. Okay, now next take 6 down, it will become 36. So 5 in 5 36 will come? No. So 5 sevens are 35 is there. So 36 minus 35, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. Okay, quotient and remainder. Then next one, 96 divided by 8. So you have to check out in 8 table 96 will divisible or not. So 9 will not come in 8 table, so we have to take single small first one only. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8, 1, and take 6 down, 8, 16. So 8 twos are 16, 0, 0, quotient and remainder. D1, 68 divided by 3. So in 3 stable 68 will come. Yes, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, minus 0. Take 8 down, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So we have to go for the 6 only, 3 twos are 6, and minus 8 minus 6, 2. Quotient and remainder. Okay. Question number E is there. 78 divided by 6. So you have to check 7 will come in 6 table. No, the smaller than 7, 6. So 6 ones are 6 minus 7 minus 6, 1 will come. Take 8 down. In 6 table 18 will come. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 will come. Okay. And 6 threes are 18 also come. So 6 threes are 18. So 18 minus 18, 0. Quotient and remainder. Next one, 75 divided by 3. 75 divided by 3. So in 3 tables 7 will come. Check out, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 7 will come, 7 will not come. So we have to take 3 twos are 6. So minus 7 minus 6, 1. Correct? Then answer already there. Take this 5 down, 15. So 3 5s are 5 already there. So 3 5s are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Next one, 97 divided by 7. So in 7 table 9 will come. Check out, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. It will not come. So we have to take smaller than 9, which is 7 ones are 7. Minus 9 minus 7, 2. Now next step, second number you have to take it down, 7. So it will become 27. Alright. So in 7th table 27 will come. Yeah, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 will come. Okay, 21 will come. 7 and 7 fours are 28 will come. So we have to take 7 threes are 21 minus, answer is 6. 7 minus 1 6, 2 minus 2 0. That is quotient and is remainder. The H1 remainder 76 divided by 4. So in 4 table 7 will not come because 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So let's take 4 ones are 4. Okay, so you have to minus 7 minus 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. Correct? And take 6 down. In 4 table 36 will come. Yeah, 4 nines are 36. You have to do minus 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3. Next one, I1 92 divided by 7. So in 7 table 9 will not come. So we have to take smaller than 9, 1, 7 ones are 7. We have to do minus 9 minus 7, 2 and take that 2 down. So already 3 answer is there. So you will get idea 7 threes are 21 minus. So 22 minus 21, 1. Quotient and remainder. Next one. 98 divided by 8. So 98. So in 8 table 9 will not come. So we have to take 8 ones are 8. Correct, because 8 is smaller than 9. Minus 1. Okay. Now take 8 down. 8 1, it will become 18. So 8 to 8 twos are 16 we have to take. Minus 8 minus 6 2, 1 minus 1 0. Next one, 74 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 because 6 twos are 12 is there. So we have to take smaller number. 6 minus 7 minus 6, 1 and take this 4 down. 6 table to 14 will not come. 6 twos are 12 is there. So 6 twos are 12. Okay. 2 already there. So minus 4 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. It is quotient and remainder. Now next one, I1 87 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we have to take 5 only, 5 ones are 5 because it is smaller than 8 and nearest also 8. Minus 8 minus 5, 3. Take 7 down, 36. So in 5 table 36 will not come, 5 sevens are 35 will come. Okay, 5 sevens are 35. So 36 minus 35, 1. Question 10, remainder. Hope you all have understood this. So all the best and